Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Pinterest account. So you have a Pinterest account that you use to share and download images from Pinterest, but you can't figure out how you can log into that account and you want to know how you can do that. Just watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps to logging into Pinterest and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing, in order to log into your Pinterest account, open a browser and go to pinterest.com. Once you go to pinterest.com, you land on an interface like this. This is the home page of Pinterest. Here on the top right corner, you'll see two options, one to log in and one to sign up. So to log into your Pinterest account, what you need to do is click on the login option. Once you click on the login option, so if you have already logged into a Pinterest account from this device, that account will show and Pinterest will just ask you to enter the password to that account in order to log into that account. If not, if you are logging in from a new device and you haven't logged in any account of Pinterest from that device, Pinterest will ask you to enter your email, then ask you to enter your password. So do whichever fits fine for you. So now I'll enter my password. Once you enter the password, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you will successfully log into your Pinterest account. So now you can continue using your account to share or download images from Pinterest, and you can watch the short videos you want to. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.